You see that? Empty. No water. It hasn't rained here for a very long time, and when we do get a little bit of rain, it just disappears. That is unbelievably low water levels right there. We're close to the Mankato, Minnesota here, and I want to show you this, how bad the drought is in my state, Minnesota here. I mean, I'm telling you, the drought is just unbelievable. There used to be a river running through here. Look at it. Besides the Mississippi, the Sioux River is one of the biggest, most popular, powerful rivers in the Midwest. And look at it right now. Look at that.